Everything is pop and posh when in Manchester. Bursting with energy and character, Manchester is the right place for celebrating life and polishing ambitions. IQ Fletcher House, located in Manchester, is jam-packed with diversity and youthfulness. This accommodation, situated at Fairfield Street, offers shared and private bedrooms with linen beds, private study space, and a storage area to make your stay comfortable. In addition, they have amazing communal facilities such as games room, fitted kitchen, gym, a cinema lounge, and an on-site laundry, providing students with a premium living experience. The Arden University is an 8-minute stroll away, or you can take a bus to reach the University of Manchester in 17 minutes. Gacho Manchester Argentinian restaurant serves superb steaks with a bottle of wine in a stunningly glamorous setting. On weekends, don't forget to wander and stare at the Manchester Art Gallery, which is only a 10-minute walk away. You can rely on Tesco Express or Morrison's to perform your weekly errands. Everything you need is right at your fingertips in Fletcher House. Book your stay at amberstudent.com.